Canada is famous for its stunning natural scenery, lively cities, and welcoming people. If you are thinking about visiting Canada for fun, you might need to get a tourist visa. In this video, we'll explain how to apply for a Canada tourist visa from India. So, what's a Canadian tourist visa? It's like a special pass that lets non-Canadians come to Canada for a short visit, like a holiday. Most people from other countries have to apply for this visa and pay a fee to get it. Who needs a Canadian tourist visa? Well, if you are not a Canadian citizen or a permanent resident, you usually need one to come here. Now, what do you need for a Canada tourist visa? You must have a valid passport that's good for your whole visit. You should have enough money to cover your expenses while you are in Canada, and you need to show that you have ties to your home country, like a job, family, or property, to make sure you'll go back home after your visit. You also must be admissible to Canada, which means no criminal record and no risks to health or security. If you plan to stay with relatives or friends, you'll need invitation letters from them. What documents do you need to apply for a Canada tourist visa? It depends on why you want to visit Canada, like for tourism or business. You'll need to show your travel history, including any previous trips to Canada or other countries. You should also have an itinerary that shows how long you'll stay and what you'll do in Canada. And you'll need to prove you have enough money with your bank statement. A copy of your valid passport or travel document is essential, and don't forget to passport-sized photos. To apply, you'll need a cover letter explaining why you should get a Canada visitor visa, a letter of invitation if you are visiting family or friends, and a visa application form you can find on the official website. If you are self-employed, you'll need corporate documents like the Memorandum of Association, and you'll also need to show you are not planning to stay in Canada longer than allowed. For students, an ID card is necessary, and retirees should show pension slips and retirement proofs along with the other documents. How long does it take to get a Canada tourist visa? It varies, but it could take several weeks to several months. So apply well ahead of your planned travel dates to avoid delays. How much does it cost? The fees for a Canada visitor visa are $100 in Canadian dollars. Keep in mind that the fee in Indian rupees can change with the exchange rate. If you are ready to apply, here's how. Check if you are eligible, gather the required documents, apply online, and wait for a decision. If you need help, Travel Visas Easy can assist you with your Canada visit visa application. We can help you figure out the best plan, prepare your case, show your finances, assist with documentation, and guide you through the entire process. So, if you are thinking about visiting Canada this year, don't hesitate to get in touch with Travel Visas Easy for complete assistance. Your dream vacation to Canada may be just around the corner.